Put your rings on me when I was so heavy. Pour on a scene for me when I'm low, low, low.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to create this long sequence earrings at home. So if you're interested in knowing how to create this by yourself, then keep on watching. So firstly we'll see what all we need. So you will be needing this hair hook, a player, and a sequence. I have used a star sequence. You can use any shape, and a jump ring. So let's get started. First open your jump ring and then add one star sequence inside that. So this will be our base for the earrings. So this is how it should look once you have added sequence inside that. Then take a player and press the jump ring and secure your sequence like I'm doing here. So once you have pressed your jump ring, this is how it should look. Now take another jump ring, add the previous jump ring inside that, like I'm doing here. So this is how it should look once you have added the previous jump ring. So now you should add two sequence on each side, like I'm doing here, and then press the jump ring. As for now, this is how it should look, and from next I'm going to add four sequence in one jump ring. So add your jump ring like this and add two sequence on each side, and then secure your jump ring. So continue doing this step until you reach your desired length. So I in my case I just it just took me like 12 jump rings to create this long earrings. If you want, you can reduce the length or you can increase the earring length according to your choice. So just continue doing it until you reach your length. So basically adding four sequence in one jump ring will make your earrings look more chunky and more beautiful. So I really liked adding four, so I'm doing that. So once you have reached your desired length, just add last jump ring and add your hair hook. So this is the final earrings, which looks very beautiful and it is very affordable as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.
Put your rings on me when I was so heavy. Pour on a